Hi, my name is Clay, and today I'm going to take you on a quick journey through how 3D printing is revolutionizing architecture and engineering. If you've ever thought of 3D printing as just a way to make small trinkets, you're in for a big surprise. Let's start with a quick overview. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a technology that builds objects layer by layer from a digital model. While it's often associated with creating simple objects, it's rapidly being used in fields like architecture and engineering to design and even build real world structures. From custom home design homes to large scale infrastructure, this technology is reshaping the way we think about building the world around us. But why should you care about this? 3D printing in architecture and engineering is incredibly impactful for several reasons. First, it can save time and money. Traditional building processes often require expensive materials, labor, and long timelines. With 3D printing, we can reduce waste, cut labor costs, and even speed up construction times. For example, entire houses are being printed in a fraction of the time it would take to build them using traditional methods. On top of that, 3D printing opens the door for more sustainable and innovative designs. Structures that were once impossible or too costly to build, they can now be realized with precision thanks to this technology. Imagine the possibilities when we can design homes and buildings without the limitations of traditional construction methods. Now, this topic isn't just important to me as a future civil engineer, it's something I'm actively involved in. As a 3D printing enthusiast, I've used this technology to create models for custom home designs and prototypes for various projects. I've seen firsthand how 3D printing can bring ideas to life faster and with greater detail than ever before. And I'm excited to continue exploring how this technology can shape the future of construction, especially in creating affordable, sustainable housing. To dive deeper, let's look at how 3D printing works in architecture and engineering. One of the most exciting applications is in prototyping and custom design. In traditional architecture, creating models and prototypes can be expensive and time consuming. While with 3D printing, architects can quickly generate accurate scale models of their designs, make changes on the fly, and even test different materials, all before a single brick is laid. But 3D printing isn't just for small scale models. Engineers are now 3D printing load bearing structures like walls, beams, and even entire buildings. Companies are using concrete and metal to 3D print parts that are not only lightweight and durable, but also more cost effective. There are even 3D printed houses being constructed, proving that this technology isn't just a novelty. It's a viable alternative to traditional building methods. So, why does this matter? The impact of 3D printing is huge. By reducing construction time and costs, we can build more efficiently, allowing for the creation of homes and buildings that are not only faster to produce, but also more affordable and sustainable. And for places facing housing shortages or looking for more eco friendly building solutions, 3D printing offers a promising path forward.